Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Then go to the search at the right bottom. And now you need to click at the search line at the top, and if you have iOS 26 at the bottom. Now, right, EDIFIER and search. And right here we have this application, we should install it, it calls EDIFIER Connect. Now open it and click Allow. That's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these headphones to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!